Welcome to my channel Jobs. In today's video I am going to show how to make these kind of nice animations using Figma. Okay, then let's get started. Then I am in Figma now. I have already created these 6 artboards with iPhone 6 size, and I have placed I have created the graphics and placed also. You can see over here. This is the two box selection for the jewelry. One is the blue box and one is the pink color. And this is for the checkout, and when you check out, this box has to come all the way, and then when you hover on the box, this has to animate totally. This is a package of the animations. In this tutorial I'm going to show how to do it. Okay, so now we'll start with these two artboards, artboard 1 and 2. Okay, so you can see here artboard 1 and 2, we have a first artboard, we have a blue box, kind of heart shaped box. Second, we have a kind of pink box. Okay, and if you go to the layering, in layering also I have named it as a blue top, and if you see this one, this is the given as the blue bottom, and this one pink box as a given the name of the pink top and the pink bottom. So what is my plan is that when user hover on any one of this icon, that has to load that particular page. Suppose if user hover on this one, this page has to load. For that, I'll click this one and I'll go to prototype. Now I'll get a pointer. I'll drag and drop the pointer over here. Now I need, while hovering, smart animate, ease in and out, 1024 milliseconds. These timings you can always play around and increase and decrease. And this also you can check it out in the different options to get the better animations, but I'll go with the ease in and out. Okay, and this one I'll drag and drop to here. Same, while hovering, smart animate, ease in and out, 1024 milliseconds. Okay, and I'll play it now. I'll go here, I'll make down, scale down to fit. See, while hovering, that pages are loading as expected. Before that, I'll put the some frame for this artboard. So for that, I'll go to device, iPhone 11 Pro. I'll select some silver color. We'll see how it comes. Yes, see, the frame is selected. Okay, now I'll go back to animations. Now next step, what I wanted to, when I'm hovering to this one, this graphics should also be a come below this, I mean to this place. For that, I'll select this one, holder, copy the graphics, and I'll go to the artboard 2. I'll paste the graphics over here, and I'll move that graphics to this icon. Okay, and I'll move below the graphics. Yeah, see, now it will be moved below. Next, what I'll do is, like, I will give kind of rotation for this, maybe a this much. Okay, we'll see, we'll play now how it looks. Look at that, look at that. Okay, that is also coming nice. So next step is, when I hover on this one or maybe this one, this box has to nicely open. Okay, nicely open like this. Currently it is not happening. And same for this one also, when I hover on this box has to nicely open from here, and when you hover on this, it has to close and it has to open. Okay, how to do that? Okay, for that, first I'll select these two and I'll copy the things, okay, from the artboard 2, and I'll select the artboard 1, okay, here, and I'll just paste it above that. Okay, and next I'll move these two things graphics close each other. Okay, you can see over here on the artboard it is already came on the pink top and pink bottom. Okay, now what I'll do, now I'll select this one and I'll go to fill. I'll make the fill as 0. Same for this one. I'll go to fill for a 0%. Okay, now we'll see. Look at that. Look at that. For the pink box it is coming. It is nicely opening it up. But in the blue it is not coming. We are not at made. Okay, we'll do it for the blue also. Same way, I'll select this box and this box. Okay, copy. Go to artboard 2 and paste it. Bring it close enough. Okay, and select this one, blue top, and go to fill. Make the fill 0. Same for this one, blue bottom also. Go to fill. Make the fill 0. Okay, now we'll see. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. There is a one small issue over here. You can see like an the second box. I mean, it is not looking like an that ring is inside the box when we are animating. So we need to move that background below. So that for that I'll go to artboard 1 and I'll select pink top and pink bottom and I'll move below these two boxes. Okay, below the same for this one also. Go to artboard 2, select the blue top and blue bottom, and layering I'll move below the pink bottom and pink selection. Okay, now we'll see. Let's see. Look at that, it is coming nicely now. Okay. Okay, so next I will connect the artboard number 3 with the 1 and 2. So when I select the next button, on the click of the next button here and here, artboard 1 and 2, it has to load the artboard number 3 with the kind of animation. What I'm planning is like an the box here has to come from the top, and the information tile which says what is in your cart, it has to come from the bottom. Okay, so how to do that? So first I'll go to artboard 1 and I'll select this next button and I'll go to prototype and I'll connect this with the artboard number 3 with the on tap, ease in and out 800 millisecond. Same for this also. Okay, same thing, on tap, smart animate, ease in and out 800 millisecond. Okay, and this one has to come from the bottom. So for that I'll do one thing. I'll just I'll copy the same thing, command C, copy the thing, and I'll paste it over the artboard 1 and I'll move it little down so that the Figma will calculates the in between previous position and the next position, and the in between frames it will automatically animate. So that is what the concept of the auto animate in the Figma. So I'll move it over here a little bit down and I'll go to design mode and layer pass through, I'll make it 0. Okay, same I'll copy it to here also, and okay, and I'll make the 0. Okay, we'll see how it looks. Okay, this is we are already made. When I click the next, look at that, it is coming from bottom perfectly, but the box is not coming from the this is not coming from the top. That we need to make it. How to do that? For that I'll just remove this entire graphics from here. What I'll do, I'll go to the first frame and I'll copy these graphics. Okay, and I'll paste it over the third artboard Okay, this is the entire same art graphics of the artboard one. So I'll do one thing, I'll just move this little bit down, not bit down, I'll close this one. Okay, so now what will happen is that when you click this one, now the artboard number 3, it is in the closed position, art number 1, it is a open position. So Figma will auto animate these two stages. Okay, now we'll see how the output looks like. Okay. Look at that. Both are coming. Wow, this is coming nicely now. Now, what I'll do. There's the one more artboard. It's called artboard 4. So I'll just remove the content of the artboard 4. I'll just copy and paste select all the content of the artboard 3, and I'll simply paste it over there. What my plan is that when you hover on this one, it has to open it up like this, and when you hover out, it has to close up again. Okay, now that was my plan. For that, I just move this little bit up. Okay, now I'll connect these with this one. Okay, I'll go to prototype and all hovering. Smart animate is in and out 800 millisecond, and same as this one. Connect back to output 3 while hovering. Smart animate is in and out 800 millisecond. Okay, we'll see how it looks. Okay, look at that, look at that, look at that. Perfect. It is all looking perfect. When you hover on that, it opens. When you close it up, it opens. Okay, all good. Look at that. Okay, now the next plan is like this box. Okay, the artboard 5. So what is the plan on this is that when I select the checkout now, so this all the boxes graphics has to come from all the across from the screen, and it has to wrap with this box. So that was the plan. So for that, first I'll connect this artboard with this one, artboard number 3 with a 5. Okay, and artboard number 4 with a 5. Okay. Ooh, and this is on click, I think. Yes, on tap. This is also on tap. Okay, so I will see how it comes. Okay, now see, it is coming very quickly, no actions. So for that, what I'll do, I'll copy this entire art thing to this bar, to the artboard number 3. Okay, and I'll split it across to the screen. Here one is on the top, one is on this side, and this has to curve. This I'll move it to here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll go to the design mode and the layer pass through, I'll make it 0. This is also, I'll make it 0. This is also, I'll make it 0, and this one is also, I'm going to make it as a 0. We will check the output now. Okay, look at that. This was expected, it is coming. Okay, so next I wanted to connect artboard number 4 with the artboard number 5. So artboard number 5, we have a shopping box, so shopping bag. So I have created the with a couple of pieces. I have cut into the couple of pieces to animate it. So, oh, and this icon is also there. So what my plan is, like, this shopping bag has to wrap up this in the screen from all the way around, something like this, coming from here, and one piece come from here, and one piece come from here, and next this will come above this. Okay, so that is the plan. So how to do that? First, what I'll do, I'll connect check now with the artboard number 5. Okay, for that I'll just copy and paste here, and this also the same on tap, all the same thing, and for this also on tap. Okay, and first what I'll do, I'll just copy this one. I'll go to design mode. Okay, I'll copy this artboard 3. I'll just copy these things and I'll paste the things over here. Okay, then I'll move these things a little up. Okay, the center of the screen. Now I'll paste this cutting bag above this. Okay, it looks I mean, a little complex, but it is not that much. It is very easy to, I mean, do this. I'll tell you, I'll explain how to do it. Okay, and close this also over here. Okay, and move it center. Okay, above that put this one. Okay, perfect. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy these things. Okay, and I'll paste it to the artboard 3 and artboard 4, basically the previous frames. Okay, so I'll just remove these things, and I'll paste this one over here inside the artboard number 3, this one over here, this one over here. Okay, I'll move these things a little this side. Okay, maybe here. I mean, put it inside the artboard number 3. Okay, over here. Maybe this way. Okay, the corners, and this one I'll put it over here. Now what I'll do, I'll select this one, the bag handle, and I'll make the fill 0. Same for this one, go to here, fill, make it 0, and for this also go to fill, make it 0, and for this also go to the pass through and make it 0. Now we will check it. Go, I'll press the checkout. Look at that, but there is some glitches there. We'll see what is the glitch. Okay, okay, yes, so here there is some issue. There are the two things are there. I'll just remove this one. It's been duplicated twice, I think. Yes. I'll just move this behind the back, and this also I'll move behind the back. This one is also move behind the bag. Now we'll see. Come back, check out. Yes, perfect. It is coming fine now. Okay. Now what I will do, one more step is that when I will hover on this, again it has to it has to, this bag has to go side. Okay, for that I'll just copy and paste the artboard again, 5 artboard, and I'll make the same thing. I'll just move the things outside little bit. This also I'll move it this side bit. Okay, and this is also I'll move here. This is also moving over here. This I'll move it over here, and I'll go here. I'll make this as a pass through 0. This also pass through, I'll make it as this 0. This also I'll make it as 0, and this one is there. I'll make this pass through is also 0, and I'll select this and I'll go to prototype and drag and drop over here, and I'll make on hovering. Smart animate is in and out, 800 milliseconds is fine. You can change if you want this. We'll see how it comes. Okay, now it's perfectly coming. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That is awesome. Okay, see all our final output. Okay, go to the frame number 1. So here, when hovering it, that boxes are nicely animating, perfectly fine. And if you select this box, if you go next, that box is closing up and this is coming from the bottom, and if you hover on that, it is opening it up nicely, smoothly. You can always vary this one animation by varying the time. Okay, then we'll ready for the checkout. When we click the checkout, look at that, all the way it is coming, that box that chopping back from these so many places. It is looking good. And when you hover on that, see that box is going away. Okay, all good, perfect, good, perfect. Thank you very much. Please do subscribe to my channel. I'll keep on posting this kind of videos. And before closing that, I'll be posting this raw Figma file with the description below, so that you can also use that and copy that and try to practice it. So this Figma file, I am going to place it on the description. Make the use of that. Thank you all very much. Bye.